Yesterday, I spent an afternoon with a guy named Wim Hof, aka the Iceman, who is famous for his ability to withstand sub-zero temperatures.
It's gotta work, man! It's gotta work! Right into the energy! Yeah!
He holds 26 Guinness World Records for doing crazy things in the snow and ice, and he attributes these feats to his Wim Hof method, a combination of breathing techniques, meditation, and frequent cold exposure that can eliminate any mental disorder and lead to a happier life. Wim talked to me a lot about depression, the leading cause of disability worldwide, and I wanted to share his thoughts with you here in hopes that some of you out there can benefit, because to Wim, it's 100% curable.
Depression is a hormonal imbalance, dopamine, serotonin. And we have shown in scientific research how to tap into the endocrine system, which is the hormonal system, and outbalance anything that is out of balance. Depression is caused because of a lack of dopamine, and we are able to get this.
So how do we get more dopamine?
Breathing and going into a cold shower.
So cold showering, ice baths, meditation, these kind of things?
Yeah.
What else?
The three things, you know, the mindset, going into the cold, and breathing makes you able to have a control over the endocrine system, which is the cause and effect of depression, psychosis, anything of that. Mental disorders are of the past. We are the future, and we bring the keys. As simple as it is.
So if someone's feeling depressed who's watching this video, if they take a cold shower, is it that easy, or do they need to keep practicing these things?
Yeah, sure, until it's gone. We provide the techniques, you push the button as much as you need until depression is gone. So recently I showed in the scientific research to be able to tap into the deepest part of the brain, thought of inaccessible. And if I'm able to do it, anybody is able to do it. I show it first as the first one. Then I show it with groups of people, and now everybody is able to do it. So science is backing up that we are able to regulate our mood. Nobody likes to be not happy. So when you are not happy, being able to regulate your mood at that moment, it's there. And it's scientifically backed up. So it's a new time. It's a time to become happy.
And you can see it. Like, I've never felt energy from anyone in my life than speaking with this man. I've only been with him for it's amazing. Like, this guy.
Thanks.
Like,
It's great.
Are you always like this? This is you?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I am.
You don't have to apologize.
I mean, no, it's a joke, you know. Yeah. Joke a little.
He just loves life.
And my dog.
She's the same way.
Titi. She's 10 years. She beats me always in the mountains.
Oh, and the rain has come back.
And the rain has come.
Thank you, sir. All right.
Yeah.
I'm Drewbinsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.